Hi, Coco.
You have the keys?
No, I don't have any. It's the second one.
Oh.
Hi. Hi, sis. Hi. Hi, John. How are you? Hi. Hi. Where's it? Hi. You guys waiting for something to eat? Hi. 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 And you, Cookie, what are you doing? Okay, who wants to come out? You? You've been molting, eh? Hold on, Coco. Hold on. Hold on. Sid, what are you doing? Wow. Hi, Coco. How are you? Wow. Are you excited? Are you excited? There's Dad, Coco. There's Dad. There's Dad.
Hello, pretty girl.
There's Dad, Coco.
Hello, Kiwi. Hello.
Hi. How are you? Huh? Come on, Roo. What did you do today? Huh? What did you do today? Did you have a good weekend, Cookie? Huh? Yeah? Hi, sweetie. No? And who are we missing? Duncan. What did you do? And what about Sid? What are you looking at? You're always checking out what's new, aren't you? What's in there? Did you play in there this weekend? Did you play in your house? Yeah? You want to come out? You ate all your pellets. Wow, good girl. Good girl. And Izzy, you're back home. You're happy, right? Yeah.